Check out the brand new Auto Leveling 360 degree 3-beam laser from CPI. Now this is a green beam laser and it's auto leveling via electric motors. Most lasers have a pendulum style self-leveling mechanism, but there's actually a couple of advantages over that common pendulum system with this electric motor system. Pendulums are affected by dust and debris that'll work its way into your laser over time on site. That'll lead to your pendulum sticking and even becoming off balance and giving you inaccurate readings. Also, pendulum systems have to be locked during transit, and if you ever forget, the pendulum's going to bang around between jobs, affecting that diode's calibration and accuracy as well. The electric motor leveling system is better suited to the daily wear and tear of on and off site and use. Now, CPI4DG features 3 self-leveling lasers that can be switched on and off independently. And the laser can be used up either way with a horizontal plane either on the top or the bottom. It gets right down to just 8mm off the surface, which is really handy if you're doing a floor, a trim, or skirting. The laser's got an effective range of 50 meters indoors. It can be used with a receiver up to 100 meters outdoors. Just make sure you press and hold the vertical button to switch it over into receiver mode. The laser can also dial in a slope on both the X and the Y axis. You press and hold the horizontal button for 3 seconds on the laser. You then select the X or the Y on your remote and dial it up or down to the desired grade. And when you turn off the sloping function, it will return to level automatically. The included mount has this clip that can be attached to floating ceilings as well as be wall mounted, and it attaches to the main adjustable mount via rare earth magnets. And those rare earth magnets are super sticky, ideal for stud and track, but also any metallic surface that's magnetic around the site. You've got some adjustment options as well to dial in your line precisely. You can micro adjust both the vertical as well as the horizontal in and out. The laser also pivots as well on the mount. There's a quick mount plate to attach the laser to that adjustable mount so you can get the laser on and off for a quick setup. Alternatively, there's a 1/4 inch and a 5/8 inch mount on the bottom of the laser so you can attach it to most tripods. Also in the kit, you'll find a mounting plate and some masonry nails so you can attach the laser to a non-magnetic surface like a masonry wall. And this laser also comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries for a combined runtime of 10 hours. You can use one battery while you charge the other. Alternatively, you can plug the laser in directly while you're using it and charge the batteries while it's in action. There's also this very handy little lifting platform that you can sit the laser on top of and just dial it into exactly where you need it. No more random towers or site rubbish on the job. And with the safety glasses and target, it's all packed into a nice foam-lined hard case for storage and transport. That's the CPI4DG. It's available now at all Sydney Tools stores and online, sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below or drop in store and talk to the team. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.